Hello, welcome to another project content video. In this one, we'll be going over how you can download static images without any motion. Static images are useful when a city limits movement on digital signs. Now, how do you get an image file from Presto? So at a high level, you can do this. 1, select the screenshot time in your template. 2, render your template changes. And 3, select the thumbnail option instead of video upon download. Now, let's look at an example. All templates have a point along the timeline used to create an image. This is called the screenshot time. We try to pick a time that will work with the majority of users, but you can set this time if you prefer. You can also apply the changes to all sizes. We'll now use a Presto download credit to render our changes. We'll get a thumbnail option post-render, so we can choose any video type. With the render complete, we can download our file. So we'll select the sign size and the thumbnail option. With that file downloaded, you can then upload the file to your sign software and schedule it however you like. Well, that about wraps up this video on how to download a static image. If you still have questions, we have other tutorial videos and more information on our website, projectcontent.com.